morning in a bright and cheerful classroom. Friends gathered around their teacher. On the table sat a mysterious sparkling box. It glowed, it shimmered, it even made a tiny sound. Shake, shake, jingle. Welcome, said Teacher Joy. This is the magic learning box. The children leaned closer. What's inside? Teacher Joy smiled. Let's sing and guess together. The magic learning box song. Magic box, shiny and bright. What's inside today's surprise? Shake it gently, listen close. Can you guess what it might hold? Shake it, guess it, take a look. Learning magic from the box. Colors, numbers, shapes, and more. Open up, let's explore. Shake it, hands to shake a box. Learning magic, shake a box. Colors, numbers, shapes, and more. Open up, let's explore. Action kids, pretend to shake. Reveal one color. Teacher Joy slowly opened the lid. Out popped a red ball. Red, red, bright and round, rolling softly on the ground. Can you find something red? Point to it, go ahead. Kids shout red. Reveal two shapes. The box sparkled again. Shake, shake. Out came a blue triangle. Triangle has three straight sides, pointy top and edges wide. Look around, what do you see? Find a shape. 1, 2, 3. Shake it, guess it, what's inside? Learning magic, fun and bright. Reveal 3 numbers. The box glowed even brighter. Out jumped 3 yellow stars. Let's count stars shining bright. 1, 2, 3. What a sight! Clap 3 times and count with me. Counting fun for you and me. Clap together. Healthy foods. One last shake. Out rolled a green apple. Apple green and crunchy too. Healthy foods are good for you. Fruits and veggies help us grow strong and smart. Go, go, go! Magic box we learned today. Colors, shapes, and numbers play. Foods that help our bodies grow. Learning magic helps us glow. Shake it, guess it every day. Learning magic on the way. Story ending. Teacher Joy closed the box. The children asked excitedly, what will be inside tomorrow? The box gave a tiny sparkle, as if it was waiting for the next adventure.